In August 2025, China launched an unprecedented mosquito eradication campaign. Streets fogged with insecticide, drones spraying city blocks, all to fight a virus you might never have heard of, Chikungunya. Over 8,000 people infected in just 1 month, and counting. The outbreak is centered in Guangdong, southern China, a hot, humid region where mosquitoes thrive year-round. Local officials are taking no chances. Soldiers are fogging streets, drones are spraying public parks. If this sounds familiar, you're not wrong, resembling China's early COVID-19 containment measures. But there's one key difference: Chikungunya doesn't spread through the air, it's transmitted by mosquito bites. First discovered in Tanzania in 1952, Chikungunya takes its name from a word meaning, that which bends up, a nod to the painful stoop posture of sufferers. Sudden high fever, rash, and severe joint pain. Chikungunya outbreaks are rare in China, so why here and why now? Global travel and climate change. Warmer temperatures and higher humidity expand mosquito habitats, giving the virus more chances to spread. China's response has been swift and intense. Entire neighborhoods are being fogged with insecticide. Teams are going door to door, hunting down mosquito breeding grounds. Drones deployed where humans can't reach. People who test positive are being hospitalized for isolation, even though chikungunya isn't contagious person to person. There's no specific antiviral for chikungunya. Treatment is supportive. 2 licensed vaccines exist, but they're not widely available. In China, there's no vaccine access at all, meaning mosquito control is the only real defense. Globally, chikungunya has been detected in more than 110 countries, with 240,000 people infected this year alone. For now, Guangdong's outbreak shows signs of plateauing, but in a warming world, diseases like chikungunya could knock on anyone's door. And when they do, awareness, prevention, and science will be our strongest defenses.